Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to show FPS in Subnautica 2. So as you can see in the top right corner, I have enabled FPS and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do it. So first of all, go to the home screen of your computer and in the search bar search for NVIDIA app. So open this app on your computer. Then we need to go to settings. Under it we'll find NVIDIA overlay. So we need to press this key in order to open the overlay. So if I go back to my game, I need to press Alt plus Z on my keyboard and then it will open this NVIDIA panel on the left hand side. From here we need to go to statistics and enable show statistics in heads up display. Now it will turn on the overlay. Now we need to go to statistics view and set it to FPS to get the FPS overlay on our gameplay screen. If you want to get more options, then you can set it to basic or advanced to get advanced options such as GPU utilization, CPU temperature, GPU clock and so on. So I just want to have FPS, that's why I'll just select FPS from here and then just press escape key to turn off the overlay. And now as you can see, the FPS overlay has been added on my Subnautica 2 screen. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.